Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your student account with Queensland University of Technology. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar just type in qut.edu.au and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of the Queensland University of Technology. Now, in order to log into your student account, just click on the login button at the top right corner, alongside the contact QUT button. You will now be taken into the login portal. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Then you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with QUT, or the Queensland University of Technology. In case you forgot your password, you can simply click on Forgot Your Password button and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Queensland University of Technology. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.